Hello, this is Jimmy. I've completed the first chicken tractor, the A-frame, and started on another one. So let me show you what I'm doing here. This is the first one. Everything is finished. Got a piece of plastic covering the top. Got the handles to drag it around. Got a little latch to lock it shut. And eventually there will be two nests right there. I got this on hinges as well so that I can open this up to give them their feed and water. And this is the new one I started today. Get you a good look at this. I'll cover this all with chicken wire next day or two. That top piece of plywood's not nailed on or anything yet. It's just sitting on there. And I may just leave it like that for a little while and just stick a big rock or something on it to hold it in place. But that's where I'm at, and I can put 3 or 4, maybe 5 in each one of these. Probably just put 3 in them though, just to be safe. But that's it. This one's built out of scraps. And that one I ended up spending some money on, but this one here is just built out of old scrap lumber and didn't cost me a dime. And I'll see you next time.